Hey, friends and neighbors of Somerfield. This is Greg with Epique Realty, and I'm going to give you a rundown of what happened in the month of March, as well as taking a 12-month look back, but I promise I'll make this quick. In the month of March, we've had one closing at 5 Sage for $555,000. We have one contingent on Somerfield for $499, $999, and we have one active listing on Schoner for $495,000. In the past 12 months, we've had 10 closings, anywhere from 357 on Sapphire all the way up to 580, which was on Sage. This is a graph that shows the price per square foot. And from the month of March of 2020, the price was $140 per square foot. And in March of 2025, it went up to $189 per square foot. This is down a couple of dollars from a couple of months ago. It appears that interest rates are coming down a little bit, so I think that the price per square foot is going to continue to go up. If you're thinking about listing your home anytime soon, I'm going to give you the number one tip. It's a total no-brainer, but it's something that we need to talk about. And that is, if you're planning on putting your house on the market, you're going to be moving. The first thing that you should be doing is packing everything that you can that you're not going to be using over the next couple of months. Get your house as empty as possible. You can start boxing some items, put it in the garage, put it in the basement, just as long as they're nice piles. Be sure to color code everything with tape so that you know where you're going to be moving it to, what room, and the new home that you're going to go to. The best solution would be to get a storage unit and start putting it in there. If there's items in your home like coffee tables, end tables, dining room set that you're not going to be using, I would highly recommend that you get that on Marketplace or some other kind of app and start selling it and start purging the items away. Also, here at Epique Realty, we have solutions for sellers. It's not just put your home on the market and see what kind of offers you get. We can come out of the gates with up to 3 cash offers even before you list your home. This isn't a great solution for the majority of people, but it is a very viable solution for some of the people. If you're in a situation where you want to buy your next home and you don't want to sell your home, you would rather buy the new home first and then list your home, we have a solution. It's a buy, then sell solution that can take care of that. We also have money. So if you're in a situation where you want to list your home, but your home needs a $30,000 worth of upgrades, we have a solution up to $50,000 at a 0% financing so that you can take some money to redo the carpeting, redo the paint. If you need a new furnace, you can put that in there, and then you would pay it back at closing. It's a great solution for a lot of people because a lot of times if you put in $20,000 into your home, you can end up getting $40,000 back. In this newsletter, you're going to see down below cash offers for sellers. You can click on that box and it will take you to a link where you can fill out your information, and I'll be preparing those cash options for you. Again, it's just options. The more options, the better. If you're thinking about selling your home soon, be sure to reach out to me. Give me a call and I'll be happy to meet with you. 10 box and it will take you to a link where you can fill out your information, and I'll be preparing those cash options for you. Again, it's just options. The more options, the better. If you're thinking about selling your home soon, be sure to reach out to me. Give me a call and I'll be happy to meet with you. Box and it will take you to a link where you can fill out your information, and I'll be preparing those cash options for you. Again, it's just options. The more options, the better.